Hi, mabuhay. My name is Gabriel, and today we're taking you behind the scenes of one of CDO's most iconic dining spots, Mesa. And we will uncover what makes them special and how their team delivers exceptional service every day.
First question, sir. Have you ever dealt with a difficult or upset guest? How did you handle the situation?
Have I ever handled
Upset guest.
upset? Yes. Yes. Mostly everyday gid. Dili Bisaya.
Oo, pwede na Bisaya sir.
So, halos everyday ko maka-encounter gid yung I guess. Dili may makalikay ana. So, akong way na akong elevate ang guest is through my service lang gid. Ano siya.
Okay, question 2. What steps do you take to resolve a guest complaint?
What are the steps for guest complaint? Step 1, acknowledge your mistakes, like excuse me ma'am, so sorry, my mistake ang kunong ginani mo. Second, ayun pahibalo sa inyong supervisor, manager, kinsa may superior ninyo. Sa mo amang gid na tulo ka superior. Sa dining na ay dining captain, second ang second degree which is supervisor. Third ay yung top degree is restaurant manager.
So third question, how do you show hospitality and friendliness during guest interactions?
Guest interaction is greeting and introducing yourselves. Kaya mo nang number 1 gid way nga open up sa guest. Imo ang identity. Para makita po ang personality nimo.
Question number 4, what do you think makes excellent guest service?
What makes excellent service is to first of all follow the house rules. Kailahay nga restaurant, kailahay nga service, kailahay pod og mga rules. Muna siya. Kung sa standards niyo inyo gid ko. Kay since kani ako na make example Mesa, excellence gid ang service since 2017 up until now. Naging sequence of service. If wala na siya, mawala excellency. Like, kanya-kanya na nila yung service ang tao lang. Dapat na may rules.
So, question number 5, how do you handle guests with special requests or needs?
Special requests, special needs? Like,
Sa ilahan.
okay. First of all, imo agin ang work gid, imo agin ang linya ang service gid. Pati ng special service. Ma-priority gid mo sila since mga senior, mga na or mga special needs nga person. Yes po, kaya po sila. I-priority gid ninyo. Then make sure nga comfortable sila. Naba sila mga bawal.
So, question number 6. Describe a time when you had to go above and beyond standard procedures to meet a guest's expectations.
Since bago pa ako dari na first gina ako na-encounter nga since wala ko work experience. Gina-exceed gid ako ang kanang communicational skills gid ang key ana. Dayon pagsabot pud nimo sa tao like kailangan ka mo basag tao po.
So, question number 7 to the last question. In what ways do you think your role contributes to a long-term guest loyalty and brand trust?
Pa-repeat.
In what ways do you think your role contributes to long-term guest loyalty and brand trust?
Brand personality. By showing your personality gid mo. Dara gid mo grow sa personality kay once ganan ba ka sa isa ka tao dili tungod sa nature di ba personality gid despite sa unsa man ang rango nga na personality gid number 1 gid ninyong sandata is personality ra gid.
That's all for thank you.
Mesa is more than just food. It's the people, the service, and the heart behind every plate. I'm Gabriel Joseph, and this is the heart of Filipino hospitality.